Introduce XYC 208 High-Performance Perfluoropolyether Lubricating Oil, a top-tier PFPE lubricant designed for fluorine production in tough industrial settings. Because harsh environments demand robust solutions, our oil helps maintain reliability, extends service life, and cuts downtime. PFPE lubricants are essential in extreme conditions like fluorine production due to high temperatures, heavy loads, corrosive gases, and vacuums. While conventional lubricants fail, XYC 208 resists oxidation, maintains lubrication across a wide temperature range, and withstands chemical challenges. Key benefits include broad temperature performance, strong chemical inertness, low volatility, robust sealing, oxidation resistance, thermal stability, and water resistance. XYC 208 is formulated to meet the demands of fluorine production machinery. Because it ensures reliable lubrication in vacuum pumps and other components, it's ideal for industries requiring long cycles and dependable performance. From electronics to mechanical systems, it supports safety and extends service life by reducing downtime. XYC 208 serves critical roles across various sectors. In the chemical industry, it acts as a working fluid in vacuum pumps exposed to corrosive gases. In electronics, it supports vacuum pumps during plasma etching. And in mechanics, it lubricates high-temperature bearings used in papermaking and textiles. Therefore, its versatility makes it suitable for facilities maintaining diverse equipment. To ensure longevity, regularly monitor oil condition and schedule preventive maintenance. Keep a clean supply chain and document performance to refine lubrication strategies. In conclusion, XYC 208 delivers stable performance, resists chemical challenges, and supports reliable operation, contributing to longer equipment life and reduced downtime. If you're seeking versatile lubricants for harsh conditions, consider XYC 208 made by Xiaoyi Chong.